Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Patience, and if you are new here, you are very welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, you're also very welcome. So today I'm coming to you with another video of a balloon decoration. Today we are going to be making another hat. I hope that you watched my last video, which was a hat that I made for a Valentine's Day inspiration decoration. Hope you watched that. If not, please check the link below this video and watch it. That is going to be very helpful. So today we are going to be using a foam board to do this decoration. I already have my foam board cut out in the shape of a heart. Hope you can see this in the shape of a heart. Okay. I didn't want to make this video too long, so I decided to do it off camera. But if you want to see how I do it, let me know in the comment section. I used a cardboard, is it cardboard? No, a foam board. I used a foam board from the Dollar Tree, 3 of them, to cut out my heart shape. Okay, so we are going to be using this today to make our decoration. Also, we are going to use some balloons. I have here pink, red and white balloons. These are the balloons that we are going to use. I'll see if I can add some other colors like gold or silver. Let's just go and see what happens. And then I have my hot glue gun and some glue sticks that we're going to be using to glue our balloons onto our foam board. Also, we have our balloon glue dots that we are going to be using. We might use it, we might not use it, but I'm just having it by the side in case I need it. And then I might add this one to our decoration. I'm not yet sure, but let's just move on and see how it goes, if we are going to need this or not. And then I have my beautiful roses that will be adding to our decoration. I got this from AliExpress, and every other item is from the Dollar Tree. Like I told you, this is from the Dollar Tree. If you have not watched that video, guys, my Dollar Tree haul for Valentine's Day, please check it out. I'm going to add it to the description area of this video. Please check it out and watch it. Okay guys, so we are going to go on. Now that you know everything that we are going to be using, we'll move on to decorate our foam board. And I'm going to be gluing my balloons to this foam board. So we are going to start off by inflating our balloons. Okay. So you can see, if you know Dollar Tree, these are balloons from the Dollar Tree. So I'm going to be inflating, this girl is here. I'm going to inflate my balloons individually because that's what we need, and I'm going to inflate them in an organic form, meaning different sizes, okay? So if you inflate, like these are 11 inch, is it 11 or 12 inch? Yeah, 12 inches. If you take 12-inch balloons and you want to inflate them to be smaller, just inflate and then you pull the neck like this, okay, so that it will keep its shine. Okay guys, and then you tie. Okay, like this. So we are going to go and inflate all our balloons, and again I'm inflating my balloons round, not making sure that they're all round. So I'll inflate them in different sizes, and then I'll inflate my balloons in different sizes, and when I'm tying, I pull the necks to make sure that I don't have leftover necks that will make my balloons not to shine. Okay, this one I didn't inflate it very well, but that's what you do. So I'm going to go and inflate all the balloons, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I'm done inflating my balloons, as you can see, and I'll go ahead and get my foam board and I will start decorating. Follow me along, guys. So I'll start gluing my balloons to my foam board. And again, if you are using a hot glue gun, please be careful because you can get burned. And don't say I didn't tell you, because I'm telling you right now. So I'm just putting a little bit of hot glue, and then I'm going to place my balloon on it like this. And then I'll just hold for a few seconds. Usually, see, sometimes it doesn't even. Guys, I really prefer this. It's just that it's going to take me a lot of balloons. Maybe I should start off with this one and then I continue so that it can save me some time. But let me see. Let's keep going and see what happens. I'm really trying not to have a lot of spaces.
So as you can see, I'm just taking my balloons and gluing them onto my board, taking different sizes and just making sure that I maintain the shape of my board, because if you don't place the right sizes at the right positions, you might end up having a different shape instead of the heart that you wanted to go for. So I also put my colors, interchange them, so I'm not putting one color on one spot, so I'm just interchanging my colors, making sure that I have all the colors on all the colors in different spots. So I was also planning to go out and I was so much in a haste, guys. I had to do this so quick, but I ended up not finishing, so I came back the second day. Like you can see, this is the second day, and I'm working now with my little girl. She's helping me pop some of the balloons, run away with some of them, and but we have to do this, we cannot complain. Again, the hot glue gun is very slow because you have to put the glue and then hold onto the balloon and wait for it to stick onto the board before you can move to the next one. So it is very slow. If you watch well, you see that I used both the hot glue gun and my glue dots. Now you can see we are finished gluing our balloons to the board, but we have some spaces, we have some empty spaces on the board, so we are going to go in with more balloons to cover all those empty spaces. We are just going to take some more balloons and add to our foam board so that it is going to look full and nice. I would like to insist here that you shouldn't go for a high temperature hot glue gun. This is a low temperature hot glue gun. If you go for the high temperature hot glue gun, all your balloons will be blasting all over the place. So go with a low temperature hot glue gun, guys. That is going to be very helpful. And again, I just figure out where I need balloons, place the balloons on the different spots, and then I started gluing them down one after the other. So we are finally done gluing our balloons, and this is what we have. I'm just going to go on to garnish it a little bit with the roses that I showed you before. Let us go on and garnish it, make it look even more beautiful. It looks really nice. I love it like this, but I think that if we add something else, it is going to make it even pop the more.
I'm going to go ahead to add this one alongside. That's it. That will be the conclusion of the matter. For some reason, guys, it's not holding air, so I don't know. It's not keeping the air. That's why the fact that I think my baby took it and bit part of it or something. Yeah, this leaking out air, but well, let's just go ahead and use it, guys. Okay guys, so this is the final look of our heart, balloon heart shape. Yeah guys, I'm so in love with this one. It is so beautiful. I don't know what you think, but I love this. What do you think guys? Let me know in the comment section. Will you be trying this? It is very easy, but I would say it takes a lot of time. Okay, you have to be patient to hold onto the balloon so that it can stick properly. Yeah, so this is what we have. What do you think guys?